Hey, it's Mark B. Summers here. So I wanted to do a video um, on sending notifications to your users in your app, in your mobile app, not um, your web app. Although I guess you probably could do the same thing with a web app using Chrome notifications. But anyway, I wanted to do a video about the mobile notifications. And so I have this app. It's in the Apple App Store, and I thought I would test how to do it before I did the video, in case I hit any problems, and then I would be able to solve the problems before I did the video. And um, Famous was so awesome that I sent it a command and it did the job, although it had put this notification screen at the top and the camera notch was getting in the way. So I simply then asked it to move the camera notch, move the notification to the bottom of the screen, and now notifications work. So when someone logs into the app and they update something, so basically there's two users connected in my app. They're relationship partners, and so when one person in the relationship updates something, we wanted them to notify the other person that that's been updated. And well, like I say, two commands, and it would have been only one command if the stupid camera notch wasn't in the way. Um, and that command was very simple. Excuse me. We are now going to add a mobile notification system when a user updates any of their sliders. That's the thing that's in the app. When they update any of their sliders, it will send a notification to their connected partner, telling them that their partner has updated a slider. However, if the slider has been updated in the last 2 minutes, it will not send another notification until a 2-minute timeout has expired. So what I didn't want to do is, if someone was like moving, they have 8 sliders, and if they keep moving their sliders, it could end up causing an argument between their relationship partners because they were getting a million notifications. So there's this 2-minute timeout for notifications. This should work for Android and iPhone and ask for notification permission when they open the app. If they do not have notification permissions, it should warn them that their notification cannot be sent when permissions are not set correctly. Please do not change any of the look and feel or the design of the app. Now, this last part there is something that I strongly suggest you add to pretty much every prompt. Once you get your app to the point that you really like how it's working, you're now just tweaking features or whatever, you really want to put something like this in the app so that it doesn't go off and use its initiative and decide to completely redesign it. And so then it created, like I say, it created this yellow box, but it was in the way of the camera, so you couldn't actually read the text because the black camera blob was in the way. So I simply said the request for permissions at the top needs to be removed to the bottom. That's a typo, obviously, but again, too intelligent. It just worked it out. Move to the bottom so it doesn't get in the way of the camera notch. No problem. Job done. Tested through Expo, and I'm now going to send it to the App Store. Version 3, this is going to the App Store for Apple to approve within the next 24 hours or so. Super chuffed.